Hey friends, in today's video we're going to do some much needed spring cleaning and some organizing underneath our bathroom sink, as well as some fun upgrades. Let's get into today's video. First steps first, let's get some light underneath here. I ordered some motion censored rechargeable lights off Amazon in a pack of 3. I'm gonna go ahead and install one on the center here, and I'm gonna install one on either side of the top section. That way when you open up the drawers, you'll have some light inside the drawers, as well as some overhead lighting over the items that we're gonna organize underneath the sink. So let's install these lights. They have this little back-sided magnet that has a double stick tape. That way you can take the lights off to recharge them when needed. I'm gonna, like I said, mount one here, so let's get to it. Now that we got some lights in here and I can see what I'm doing, let's start with cleaning everything out from underneath here, organizing, going through what we don't need, and then installing some fun upgrades. Let's get to it. All right, now that it's all cleaned out, which I'm embarrassed to say there was way more stuff under there than I'd like to admit, but perfect opportunity to go through all this and assess what we actually need and don't need. I'm gonna give us a little clean, little wipe down. I like the motion censored light, that's actually really cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna give us a little quick wipe down and then we'll move on to the fun upgrades. I love the lights for $20, that's already a great upgrade, but I'm gonna add a little bit more by adding some pull-out trays that have a top and bottom section. That way I can utilize this upper space and nothing gets lost in the back. I love the pull-out trays that I installed in the kitchen, and I'm able to get to the pots and pans easily, so I wanna install that same incorporation here. So let's get to installing these pull-out trays. Oh, so nice. Okay, I'm gonna mount this one a little closer over to the side. That way I have room for the large jug of aloe to sit right next to it. And I still have room to put a little toilet paper right here. Perfect. I like keeping a roll of paper towels as well as some cleaner underneath the sink, but I wanna make it more accessible, so I'm gonna mount it to the actual door by using this little double-sided paper towel roller holder. And I also found on Amazon these cleaner holders, or it's like a little clear plastic ring with an adhesive backing. So I'm gonna mount those to the door as well. Just got our paper towel roll, hang up the cleaners, bada boom, bada bing. Yes, a little this, a little that. Okay, last up, I wanna mount these toiletry travel bags on the back wall using these hooks and some 3M double-sided mounting tape. That way we can access them when need be, but they're out of the way otherwise. So let's hang them up on that back wall. Oh, I'm so happy with these upgrades so far. Having the lights in there, having everything in its place and hung up, having the pull-out shelves so I can get to things easily. So nice. And now all that's left is to put everything back. I've gone through and done a little spring cleaning, so I only kept what was necessary. Now let's put it all back in its place. All right, one last final detail. The charging cable for the lights, I want to remember where it's at and have it easily accessible. So I'm gonna mount it right down here. That way I can get to it when need be. Looking good. Okay, I want to see what Eric's reaction is, so we'll get him and show him right now. Okay, are you seeing what I did today?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Wow. Oh, that's cool.
And then if you look way back there, there's some hooks.
Oh, wow. Dude, that's super smart. You are so smart.
And so there's a sensor right here. It probably will come on once you open it, but once you turn this one on, it turns the other ones on. And then the cool feature about that is if you open your drawer,
ooh,
now there's light in your drawer.
All right, that is pretty cool.
And open the bottom one, same thing.
That's super cool.
Right?
That looks super clean.
And then there's paper towels right here, and there's cleaners. So, boop.
Yeah. you film it? Did you make a video?
And then I just was filming your reaction.
Oh.
Are we happy with it? Yeah? Such a big improvement. Love the upgrades. Yeah. Well, there it is, friends. My upgrade to my under sink storage solution, as well as some fun little upgrades that I added. I love the motion censored lights. That was probably one of my favorite upgrades of all, as well as having the paper towel roll and the cleaners mounted on the door for easy access. I know that now that I have the pull-out trays, I'll be able to easily access things and I won't lose things towards the back. I actually really am proud of this and I wish I had done this a lot sooner. So until next time, friends, when we do another fun project together. Well, friends, Eric loved the upgrades that I did so much underneath the bathroom sink that he asked me to do the same underneath the kitchen sink. So I went ahead, ordered some more lights to mount underneath, as well as some pull-out trays. I'm gonna do a little spring cleaning. I'm gonna basically repeat the exact same steps underneath here. So thanks for sticking around, friends, and I hope you found some inspiration on this. And for reals this time. Until next time when we do another fun project together. Boop.